But as you come out from underneath this bridge here, take a look off to the right side of the boat, and you're going to see the top of the 4th tallest building in Chicago, the John Hancock Tower, with those 2 white antennas and the X's on the outside of the building. It's one of the few glimpses we'll get to see of that building, as it will disappear on us behind some other buildings. But the first building that I really want to get into and discuss with you guys is just off to our port bow over here. It's that tall white building with the black stripes going down the sides. That tall white building with the black stripes, that is called the Aon Center. And it's currently the 3rd tallest building in Chicago. And when they were designing that back in 1970 for the Standard Oil Company, the wife of the CEO of the Standard Oil Company at the time, she insisted, demanded that building be clad in white Carrara marble. Because that's the same type of stone that Michelangelo used to use to make a lot of his sculptures. And she thought it would be classy to include it as part of the building. And you know, that's great if you're an artist, because marble is a soft stone, which means you can chip away at it, sand it, sculpt it, turn it into whatever you like. Great if you're an artist. Bad if you're building here in Chicago. And that's because we have very warm summers and very cold winters, which causes the rock to expand and contract, which causes cracks, and leads to large chunks of marble falling off that building down to the sidewalk below, potentially killing someone. That's bad. So they take all the marble off that building and then reclad it in granite. And it said it costs as much money to do that as it did to construct the entire building in the first place. So if you guys learned anything on our tour today, I hope you learned to choose suitable building materials. Because otherwise, it can be quite costly to lose all your marbles like that. Now, I want to talk about this mirrored facade building right here that's kind of looking at us. This is called the Swiss Hotel. And it's designed by an architect named Harry Weiss. And Harry loves triangles. In fact, you'll notice that this building is basically a giant triangle, pointing right at the river. And he did this for a good reason, because normally in a 4-sided building, only one side gets good river view. But with this being a triangle pointing at the river, 2 sides get a good river view. And keep in mind, this is a hotel.